We're making stickers in resin today, so you just grab your favourite sticker and go. Now I've got my moulds ready. I think I'm going to use the widest mould, and here's my sticker. I haven't taken the backing off. I've checked to see that it's waterproof, doing the water test, and that's going to fit right into this mould here. Now I've got my clear resin. It's all mixed and ready to go, and that's going in that mould there, and we're just putting a little layer of clear resin first to start off with, and that's going to be the front of the sticker keyring that we're making. And just pour a nice even coating there, and it has to be quite thin. You don't want it to be too thick. And I'm just tilting it around now to make sure that's a nice even coating. Now we're going to take our sticker and we're going to coat it in resin and dip it in the resin so that this prevents bubbles from forming later when it gets layered up. So I'm using tweezers because I don't want my gloves getting all resiny. And that's going straight into your resin. Don't be scared. It should be fine. And that's going face down in the mould. So in it goes. And you might need to rotate it as I'm artlessly doing now, just to make sure it's nice and coated in resin, just to keep our work bubble free later on. When you think it's evenly coated, I think that's done the job there. You can stick it face down in your resin like that. Position it a little better if you need to. I'm using a toothpick now and my camera's wobbling. And that looks about right. At this stage, you can leave your resin to cure a bit for 3 to 5 hours, but I'm going straight in for this demonstration, and I'm going to fill my mould to the top with clear resin. Your sticker might start to float around a little bit, but that's what you've got your toothpick for. Now we're just pricking the bubbles on the surface that appear, and we're making sure to pop those. We don't want bubbles in our little keyring sticker. Leave that to cure for 24 hours. And there we are. That's it unmolded. Sticker's quite close to the front, a bit bendy. That's why you can leave it to cure 3 to 5 hours after putting the sticker in if you want, before adding the top layer. But overall, it's quite nice, I think. Makes a nice little keyring. Thanks very much for watching.